Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by killing power and confirming it's dead. Safety first. Remove the unit from the cabinet and detach the vent grill because you need unobstructed access. Measure and mark the shortest straight duct path to the outside, wall or roof, since shorter runs work better. Once done, confirm you ordered the correct duct diameter for your Samsung's vent adapter and stage the exterior hood and backdraft damper nearby so the next steps flow without interruption. Now cut the hole through the wall or roof at your mark, making a neat opening and installing framing or flashing where needed. This prevents leaks. Mount the exterior hood securely, sealing the flange with outdoor-grade caulk so water can't get in. Inside, connect a backdraft damper and then the rigid or semi-rigid duct to the microwave's outlet. Use screws and foil tape for airtight joints. Make sure the duct slopes slightly downhill from the microwave. With ducts secured, lift the microwave back into position, reconnect wiring at the breaker, and plug in the unit. Then run the vent on high for several minutes while you observe outside. Listen for rattles, feel for steady exhaust at the hood, and inspect seals. If you see leaks, tighten clamps and reseal gaps with metal tape or caulk right away. If airflow is weak, check for crushed ducting, too many bends, or a wrong-sized duct. Fixing those usually restores proper performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.